Cool, so what's step one?
I don't know, I didn't read the instructions.
Oh. I'm so excited!
I'm terrified.
Welcome back to day 12 of Vlogmas. It's day 12, right?
I think so.
I think so. Today, we are making Sean's birthday cake. I should say Sean is making Sean's birthday cake because he really wanted to. What kind of cake is it?
Well, it's like a traditional South Jersey, Philly Italian cake. It's called Italian rum cake or Italian cream cake or Italian wedding cake, depending on who you ask.
It's a lot of
names. I don't think it's an actual Italian recipe, but it's great.
All right, any of our Italian friends out there, let us know if you actually make this cake or not. All right, we've done some pre-work already. So what was the first thing we did?
We made pastry cream, chocolate and vanilla pastry cream.
Yep, so we did that last night because it had to sit overnight in the fridge. And that was just, what was that? That was milk and...
egg yolks.
Yes, I separated lots of eggs again. And
that's it, milk, egg yolks, sugar, vanilla.
Yeah.
Or chocolate.
And yeah, so there's a vanilla and then a chocolate, so that's done. And then today we just made the cake parts. Right here, and we used 2 round cake pans, and then Sean cut it in the middle because there'll be 4 different layers because there's 3 middle.
Tiers.
Yeah, 3 middle parts to put goodies in. We made whipped cream, stabilized whipped cream, and then what's that?
That's rum syrup for the cake.
So it's boozy cake. I thought we were getting away from the booze. Apparently not. Ha, told ya. All right, so now we are bringing you in to put it all together. So what's first? Oh, well, here's the thing that we got from the bakery place. So if you were wondering, this is, what is this called?
A cake mold.
Cake mold.
Cake ring, something like that.
So because it's a lot of squishy stuff, we don't want it to all squish out because the weight of the cake will push it all out. So this will actually keep everything together until we're ready at the very end. Cool, so what's step 1?
I don't know, I didn't read the instructions.
Oh, I think
it's
that was my job. So we put 1 layer with the cut side up, then we're gonna drizzle it with 1/4 of the rum, liquid stuff. So this is rum, sugar, and water.
It's basically a rum simple syrup.
If you know what that is, which is sugary water, basically. So every layer is going to have some rum in it, and then it will get covered with the pastry cream, and then we'll keep layering it up. We taste tested these last night. It was good. Like, I would eat this on its own. You could probably eat it on its own. It's basically a pudding.
Yes, for sure.
So.
This one's probably firmer because it has chocolate in
yeah.
it.
So this is thicker. And we're putting the firmer one on the bottom just because we think it'll stack better.
Let's see about this part. Okay, that's pretty firm.
You're learning with us.
That's pretty not firm.
Okay.
Cool, so that one's for later.
Okay.
This one's really firm. Go ahead, see if you can spread it.
Oh. Okay,
Yeah.
I think if you push and spread.
Yeah.
But it is very crummy. Yeah, it's on the inside, so nobody's gonna see it. You just wanna make sure that every bite.
Yep, has a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
Give me some more.
Yeah.
Just put it right in the middle and I'll spread it out from the side. The key is you wanna have an even layer so that the next thing that you put on top stays level.
Put the next one on?
So first we put the ring on.
Oh, so it stays.
Yeah. Should be just the size, I already sized it. Okay, so now we're gonna put the next one on, cut side up again because we have to let the rum soak into the
layer of cake.
Into the cake, yeah, because the crust, the side that was exposed to air, it won't soak in.
And the cake actually has a lemon element. It's really good. It's supposed to be super light and airy. So we mixed the egg white separately to make it all fluffy and airy. And that made a very light cake. I mean, you can even tell with the top of the cake, you can kind of see the bubbles and stuff that created. I'm really excited for this.
It looks a bit like a heavier angel food cake.
Yeah, a lemony angel food cake.
Yeah.
The next layer is gonna be the whipped cream.
Yeah.
So this is stabilized with gelatin. That's what stabilized whipped cream apparently means. So this is proving difficult in the mold, making the layers even because I think we have a pretty decently supplied kitchen, but we don't have like everything for cake making. So it's been really hard to make an even layer. So what's your idea?
I think for the last layer, for the vanilla pastry cream, that we're going to build the layer outside the ring and then drop it in with the vanilla pastry cream on it, because otherwise we're pressing to spread the pastry cream on top of these other 2 layers, and I'm afraid that it will deconstruct my cake.
I have no idea how this is gonna go because we've never done this before. So we'll go ahead and soak it with the rum.
Yeah, we can do both of these actually at the same time.
Cool.
So, do you want to do vanilla or should I do vanilla? Or...
I'll do vanilla.
Let me take this out of the way.
Sean did so much of the work already, I feel bad. I was just watching. Is this the Newtonian fluid?
Non-Newtonian.
Non-Newtonian fluid. Sorry, science people. I hope we can get this in properly.
Yeah, we'll be fine.
I feel like it's gonna be a disaster.
Well, if it's a disaster, at least it's a disaster on camera.
I gotta move the camera to make sure we get that close up. Oh, okay. That was really anticlimactic.
Yeah. Okay, it worked, thankfully.
Okay, that went well.
That was a success. Very happy with that. So now all that's left to do is top the cake with the last layer with the cut side up, and then put the whipped cream on the outside. Maybe you want whipped cream.
And Brittany, you're gonna love that part if you're watching. Okay, so just flip it on top.
Yeah, don't drop it though.
Vote of confidence right there. Like this?
Yeah, you can bend it a little bit. The other direction, so that you can, yeah, there you go. Don't push, don't push.
Don't push. Oh, my fingers are rummy.
Okay, good.
I don't like rum. Okay, so now whipped cream.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Vanilla.
Yeah.
So, okay, I don't know if I can make it level without taking the ring off.
I think let's take the ring off.
All right, time to see if...
It's time! I'm so excited!
I'm terrified.
Are you? All right, how do we take it off? Is it this lever? Oh,
well,
okay.
we can make it a little bigger first and then lift.
So this like changes sizes, which I think is really cool. Or really annoying. I don't know yet.
Yeah, we'll see. Okay, so I just made it a tiny bit bigger than it was.
All right, let's do it. Oh my gosh! It's beautiful. Where's my phone?
So when you're a real cake decorator, the way you do it is you still go from the top down the sides. But you also have a thing that spins so you can frost your cake, easily. It's actually pretty okay.
Okay! Here's our cake! What do you think?
I think I want to eat it.
Yeah, well, we have to taste test it for the video, right?
Yeah.
I'll be. All right, well, you want to give it a cut?
Yes, but I'm not sure. Let's go with this.
Okay, get the pretty plate, the mess that we've made.
That's really good.
There we go! Look at that!
Get some close up of that.
How beautiful! Whoop. Well, thanks for joining us while baking this cake today. It was super yummy and delicious. Hope you enjoyed a look at our process. I guess.
Hopefully not our messy kitchen.
No, but if you want to see us work together in the kitchen again, check out the eggnog video. I'll leave it linked down below and at the end of the video. But thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.